Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Stremio app to your Firestick in 2026. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of moments. And the very first step is getting the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search on your device and start entering Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on it, and here is that orange application, which you'll need to get to your device. But then after you've got Downloader, it's not over yet, because we'll still need to set it up. So we go to settings on the Firestick. Here they are, open the settings from here. And now you'll need to go to the My Fire TV. Open it. And here are developer options which we have to turn on. However, on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, those developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it is really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go into installation of unknown apps. And from here, you just locate Downloader. Here it is, and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps, which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So head back to a list of apps on your device, and from here you will be able to locate Downloader. There it is. But before actually using it, there's one more really important step. And it is, of course, connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to the Netherlands right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head back into a list of apps on your device. There we go. And let's find the Downloader now. Here's that app, we open it, and give it some moment to load. Now here, in the search bar, we'll need to enter a link, which will be stremio.com. So let's do that together. Once again, stremio.com. Just enter it as you see, and then let's click next. And whilst loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. Then this web page will open up. And what you're going to do is click that sandwich button right here. Click on it and then go to the downloads page. So click on it as well. and another web page is going to open up. We scroll down a bit, make sure that it says Android as a platform because Firesticks are basically Android-based devices. Then scroll down a bit more, and here we have different versions of the apps. For the majority of Firesticks, the version that you have to install is going to be Stremio ARM APK. So just click on it, and now the download has started. The file is quite big, so if you've got a slow connection, it will take quite some time. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks, which I hope will be useful to you. Then you click install right here, and also wait until the app gets properly installed to your Firestick device. That also usually takes just a couple of seconds. So we just give it some time until the whole process is finished. So since the file is quite big, it might be taking a bit longer than usual when installing applications. After that, do not click open yet. It is important to press done because here you get the option to delete the unnecessary installation files. And since the file is quite big, it's really recommended to save your free space by deleting those files. So click delete and delete again. Then we are returning back to a list of apps on your Firestick. So let's go to the very back of your application list. And now the Stremio application will appear here in a moment. Sometimes it takes a couple of seconds for the apps to update and appear in your application list. Sometimes it might happen that the app called Stremio does not appear here at all in your application list, even though it was installed successfully. It is a random issue, but sometimes it happens. In that case, you would need to go to settings. So here we go. Let's open up the settings on your Firestick. Then proceed to applications. Let me move my camera a bit below. So go to applications, click on manage installed apps, and then you go through all those applications in your list. Just scroll down, keep scrolling. And here you should be able to find Stremio. There it is. Then just select the application, click on it, click launch application, and the app will work. So pretty much that's how you get Stremio to your Firestick in 2026. Enjoy and see you next time.